it's Jen, and I know I have been gone forever, but I have a bunch of updates, and a bunch of things are different, and I have a different car, which is wonderful, but terrible, because my old car, you could set the camera right in this little spot in the dashboard, and it just sat there perfectly, and it recorded, and it was great. And now I don't have that option. That's part of the reason why I haven't made any videos, because I'm so busy all the time. But anyway, let's see. I have some new food, so Gene will be doing some more reviews coming up here, and that's kind of cool because everybody seems to love his food reviews. So I got some more vegan stuff that he's going to try out and do reviews for, and he actually has been missing doing that. People ask, how am I eating? I've actually lost. Then I just messed up my hold on. I just messed up my situation of where I had my phone sitting. Okay, here we go. This is not going to work. This is not optimal. Anyway, so I did the mom's thing for a very long time, and I got a little bit off track. I don't remember what actually, if it was the holidays or what it was. I don't know. And then that whole potato thing people do and whatever. But that just doesn't work for me. So I started watching a lot of Dr. Furman and Dr. Greger. So I use Dr. Greger's app to keep track of what I'm eating, and I go by Dr. Furman's rules. So no processed food whatsoever, and I'm really enjoying that. No drinking. I actually quit drinking at the end of April, like the last week of April, and I haven't had anything all summer, and I've lost probably 25 or 30 pounds because I don't snack. Because I always snack when I drink, right? I snack and eat chips and junk, and not eating as many potatoes. I have a large sweet potato on my salad at lunch, and I have a big white potato with my breakfast, and that's really about it. I use the Dr. Greger app, and where he has the three check boxes for whole grains, I use that for servings of potato or rice, depending. So that's been working out really, really well for me. Since I've started eating much more like Dr. Furman, which is a quarter cup of walnuts a day, like on my salad, and at least a tablespoon of chia seeds, like I make chia pudding, I cannot believe how fast I've lost more weight. I've been running between 4 and 6 miles, sometimes 7 miles a day. I feel fantastic, and my phone is not going to sit on that thing anymore. This is really a problem. I have to have a better solution. Hold on. Let me put the thing back up. Okay. It's sitting on this thing. Like, see, this is not professional. There's nowhere for me to put my phone. If I put it here, the steering wheel's in the way, and then if I put it here, it falls through. So I have to like hold it up here and like balance it, which is not smart. Anyway, so what I've also decided to do is my Bitch in a Hurry channel that I really love. I just am like, you know what? After 32 years in the industry, I don't want to talk about clothes. I don't care. If you have a question that you want to ask me about fashion or how to wear something, I will be more than happy on a case-by-case basis to answer somebody. Like, absolutely. But what I've really started to do in my little bit of spare time not being in the salon is get back into my tarot card readings, and I really am enjoying that. And I post them on Instagram every day under my Bitch in a Hurry Instagram, and I post them on Facebook, and I get a few likes and stuff here and there, but I get a ton of private messages, because tarot is a funny thing, you know, like, people don't want to admit they actually, like, enjoy it or they like it because, you know, who knows, you know how people are, they don't want to say, oh, I like that, I think it's interesting, you know, whatever, but I get a lot of private messages and requests for readings and for people to see, like, how I do them. So what I've decided is to take my Bitch in a Hurry channel and make it into Bitch in a Hurry Not So Mystic Tarot, because I am not super mystic. I'm not all like, there's an Aquarius over there and there's a Cancer over there and this water sign is coming at you. Like, that, to me, it just drives me nuts, because, like, I just know what I know. And I realized, even as a little kid, before I ever even knew what tarot cards were, I would make my own cards with, like, different dots on them, and I would assign meanings to them, and I would, like, draw them for people. And I remember doing this when I was, like, 10 years old, and I didn't even know what I was doing. So, like, this is, like, it's like a thing, and I'm really, really enjoying it. I get a lot out of it, and I've helped I've helped a lot of people. And so, like, I mean, you can only talk about food for so long. I've talked about clothes and makeup and hair for 35 years. I just don't want to talk about that all the time anymore because it's just not that interesting to me. I do, like, if you have a certain outfit and you want help with it, I find that interesting. But random talking about it, I'm just like, who cares? So, like, you know, the 10 things not to put in your closet and the 10 things not to do when you go to a party. And, you know, it's like, if I randomly feel like talking about that, cool. But I would really like to have my one channel just dedicated to my tarot because I think that's something that really brings me a lot of joy. I really, really enjoy it, and I like to help people. So, not tomorrow, which is Thursday, but Friday, I am going to put my first behind the scenes, how I got to this tarot reading. How I'm going to do my first reading for Friday, so you guys will be able to see it. My arm's like so falling asleep. It's so falling asleep. To find a different way to do this. And I just made my little shelf go back down again. Okay, hold on. There we go. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have Gene on this channel do some more reviews and some stuff like that because he really loves doing that. And he's funny. People like him. He's really funny. So he's going to do that. Aldi has come out with a bunch of new vegan foods. They have these vegan hot dogs that he loves, and I went to get them the other day. They weren't there, but they did have some meatballs, and they had what else did they have that I got? Oh, chicken patties, like fake chicken, obviously, because we don't do chicken. No cruelty here. So anyway, I'll have him do reviews on that stuff, and he's actually wanted to do some reviews, and I was like, you know, my phone wasn't set on the thing, you know, whatever. So we're gonna have him do a couple more reviews, and he likes doing that. So I'm going to change my Bitch in a Hurry channel. Like I said, I'm always there if you have a fashion or style or hair or makeup question because I love doing that on a case-by-case basis. But to just talk about it randomly for no reason, I don't know. There's a lot of people that are already doing that. And not everybody has, not only I have my intuition, only I have what I know that I can share with you guys. So I'm going to drive into the garage. It's going to be really, really dark in there. So that's what's going on here. I'm feeling really, really good as far as like the whole eating and all of that. I mean, we can still talk about food sometimes. And on this channel, we'll talk about food and health and fitness and all that. But on my other channel, I just want to talk about, I want to talk about it not making that noise anymore. On my other channel, I just want to talk about, yeah, okay. Garbage can. I just want to talk about you know, my tarot and stuff like that. So that is what is going on here. I know this video is just like terrible, but I just thought if I don't just do it, I just won't. So that's what's going on. I'll put a link in the description to my other channel, and I'm gonna make all the old videos. I don't know, should I make them private because like they have views and stuff, but I don't know, who cares? I just thought I might just make them private and just start my tarot on there because I like that. I like Not So Mystic Tarot. I have to look and see if somebody already has that name, but I love Bitch in a Hurry and I'm such a bitch in a hurry. Like I got the office to run. I got so much other stuff to do that I want to keep Bitch in a Hurry for my tarot because I am in a hurry. I don't have like a scenic backdrop with like crystals and candles and music and birds chirping. I'm like at my desk while I'm at work and I'm like, let me throw this tarot reading down, you know, because I'm just a bitch in a hurry. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So you guys let me know what you think about that. And I just wanted to say hi and be looking for Jean to do some reviews pretty soon. And we will talk to you later. If you like these videos, like and subscribe. Like you're going to like this, right? And if you don't, what do I always tell you? I don't care. I'll see you later. Bye.